Budapest Nightlife Secrets Revealed. What if I told you there's a city where ancient thermal baths become all-night raves? Where cocktails are served in abandoned buildings filled with street art? Where the Danube reflects the city lights like a mirror made of dreams? Welcome to Budapest, a city where the night never just falls, it rises. Tonight, we're diving headfirst into the heart of Budapest's electrifying nightlife. I'm talking ruin bars, party boats, underground clubs, riverside dance floors, secret speakeasies, and everything in between. So grab your drink, lace up your shoes, and let's lose ourselves in one of Europe's wildest, most unforgettable nights. This isn't just nightlife. This is Budapest after dark. Let's go. The vibe of the city at night, you feel it the moment the sun dips behind the Buda Hills, a shift. The golden hour bleeds into twilight, and Budapest starts to hum. It's not loud at first, it's subtle. A saxophone on a bridge. The low thump of bass from somewhere behind a crumbling brick wall. The scent of chimney cake and something more mysterious. The streets start to fill, especially around District 7, Erzsébetváros, the historic Jewish quarter, now the epicenter of the city's nightlife. Cobblestones echo with footsteps, neon signs flicker on, and it's like the whole city exhales, ready to begin. The legendary ruin bars. Now, if you've heard anything about Budapest nightlife, chances are you've heard about ruin bars. But hearing isn't the same as walking into one. These places are like dreams made from leftover pieces of history. Once abandoned buildings from the post-war era, transformed into chaotic, colorful, and crazy nightlife spots. The granddaddy of them all? Zimpla Kurt. You don't just visit Zimpla, you explore it. Rusting trabants turned into DJ booths. Bathtubs for chairs. Walls covered in graffiti, Polaroids, and messages from strangers. Every corner is a surprise. Order a palinka, Hungary's beloved fruit brandy, and just take it in. Locals mix with tourists. Artists mingle with businesspeople. It's democratic, it's messy, it's beautiful. And this is just stop one. Nighttime street food scene. Alright, you've had a few drinks. Your head's light. Your feet are dancing. But your stomach? It's calling. Good thing Budapest delivers. The nighttime food scene here is next level. Just around the corner from Zimpla, street food stalls glow under string lights. You've got your longas, deep-fried dough slathered in garlic, sour cream, and cheese. It shouldn't work after midnight. But somehow, it really, really does. Or maybe you go for a juicy kurtoskaliks, chimney cake, hot from the coals, rolled in cinnamon and sugar. Caramelized outside, soft inside. Total magic. Even at 2 a.m., the food scene keeps the party alive. Speakeasies and secret spots. But hey, not everyone wants loud music and neon lights. Some nights call for mystery. And Budapest? Oh, she delivers that too. Hidden behind unmarked doors, through courtyards, down stairwells, you'll find the city's secret bars. Boutique Bar, High Note Sky Bar, and my personal favorite, Black Swan. You walk in, and it's like stepping into the 1920s. Candlelight flickers. Jazz murmurs. Bartenders in suspenders pour drinks like they're crafting spells. Try their smoked old-fashioned. It's not a cocktail, it's a performance. These places aren't easy to find, but that's the point. It's about discovery. Budapest rewards the curious. Thermal bath parties, Sparty. Now, here's where it gets wild. You've heard of thermal baths, right? But what if I told you that on Saturday nights, they turn into full-on raves? Welcome to Sparty. Held at the iconic Széchenyi Baths, this is a pool party unlike anything else on Earth. The moment you enter, the warm water welcomes you, but so does the bass. Lights flash across steam rising into the night sky. DJs spin from floating stages. People dance in swimsuits, cocktails in hand, surrounded by 19th-century neo-Baroque architecture. You've never felt anything like it. It's surreal, sexy, and soaked in Budapest's signature mix of old-world elegance and unfiltered fun. Party boats on the Danube, too hot in the clubs? Want a breeze with your beats? Time to take the party to the river. Budapest's party boats are the best-kept secret in European nightlife. Board around midnight. Drift past Parliament, the castle, under the glowing chain bridge. All while dancing with people from around the globe. Some boats are sleek and chic. Others are floating dive bars. But all of them, every single one, give you a view of the city that'll take your breath away. You haven't lived until you've watched the city lights reflect in your drink while bass bumps under your feet on the Danube. Clubs that never sleep, and when the boat docks, the night still isn't over. If you've still got energy, and in Budapest, trust me, you will, it's time for the clubs. There's A38, a club built on a repurposed Ukrainian cargo ship, voted one of the best clubs in the world. Then there's Toldi, a more indie electro vibe. Alarm, for the hardcore techno lovers. No phones, no frills, just pure, pounding music. Budapest doesn't just have a nightlife scene, it has scenes. Plural. Whether you're into reggaeton, house, funk, trance, hip-hop, or experimental, there's a dance floor calling your name. Sunrise in Buda, and then, slowly, the sky starts to lighten. The city doesn't crash, it glides into dawn. You grab a cab or walk across the Széchenyi chain bridge. Maybe you climb up to Fisherman's Bastion, still buzzing from the night. You look out across the Danube, the Parliament bathed in early light. And you realize, you didn't just go out in Budapest. You lived the night. This city doesn't just give you nightlife, it gives you stories. Moments you'll carry. People you'll remember. Nights that become legends. So, that was Budapest After Dark. A city where every corner pulses with life, where the old and new collide in the best ways, and where the night isn't something to endure, it's something to celebrate. If you ever get the chance, don't just visit Budapest. Feel it. Let it take you. Let it surprise you. And don't be afraid to stay out till sunrise. If you liked this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe for more journeys like this, and drop a comment. Tell me your favorite night out, whether it was in Budapest or beyond. Until next time. Keep exploring. Keep dancing. Keep living. See you in the next vlog.